Good eye. Good job.
Look at your front foot.
There you go, Rock.
Why are you leaning forward?
Go 1-3. Be patient, kid. Be patient.
I'm gonna put this on Facebook after.
Me too. As soon as this is back over.
I need some umpire to move. Damn it.
Yeah, she asked us to tape her swinging.
If she quits leaning, she can hit me.
Yeah, it doesn't matter how many times we tape her, she still does it.
Yeah.
You're wasting my battery. Come on now. Speed this up.
This is good.
I can't really see what's going on. I can't really see what's going on.
Sorry, Rocky.
Go, Rock.
Let me get closer. At least you ran